My dear students, I have discussed the two chapters in geography, which is in the first term, and two chapters of economics, which is in the first term. So I have completed the syllabus of the first term. Today I am going to make a revision of chapter 1, economics, the story of village Palampur. In village Palampur, farming is the main activity. Besides several non-farming activities such as dairy, poultry, pig farming, oilseed crushing, trading, transport, shopkeeping, etc. are carried in the village. Over the years, several changes have taken place in the methods of agriculture. Earlier, farmers used traditional methods of agriculture. Traditional seeds were used, but with the passage of time and development process, and after the onset of the Green Revolution, HYV seeds, new implements, sophisticated machines are being used by the farmers. New methods are made possible for the farmers to produce more from the same area of cultivable land. Modern methods of cultivation require more capital, both working capital and fixed capital. For the small farmers, who constitute about 80%, it is difficult to manage their own capital because they are not in a position to produce surplus. They resort to borrowing from moneylenders or banks or cooperative societies. Medium and large farmers have no problem of capital formation because they produce surplus, which helps in the formation of capital. Labor is most abundant factor of production. They do not find regular work in the farms. They look for job opportunities in neighboring villages, towns and cities. Thus, there is migration of labor on a large scale. Some landless laborers engage themselves in non-farm activities to earn their livelihood. Non-farm activities require less space and less capital. They can use their own savings or can take a loan to start with. Palampur is well connected with neighboring villages and Haldwani Mandi, which provide very good market for milk, jaggery, food grains, etc. There are cooperative banks in Haldwani which provide capital and inputs to farmers and landless laborers. Good roads, transport and communication facilities can boost non-farm activities, production in the villages and improve their economic condition. The description shows that Palampur has fairly well developed system of roads, transport, electricity, irrigation, schools and health centers. In villages across India, farming is the main production activity. Other production activities is non-farming like transport, small manufacturing, shopkeeping,